My god, this is serious shit. Smells like barbecue. Yeah, folks, this is Man Barbecue. It's a new model. This doesn't look very good. Yeah. So let's see what's on the what happened actually in the engine compartment. Oh, this doesn't look very good. Yeah, it's completely fried. Okay, let's see here. Oh, here it's okay. This truck has an lift, an elevator, hydraulic elevator, and it seems the problem, this burning problem, started from here. Yeah, it's, look, it's welded on the metal. Now, after I just discovered the starting point of this problem, I will start to repair and replace all damaged cables. Let's begin. Wow. It's all the way until the starter. Yeah. Finally, I detached 80% of this harness because it has a lot of screws on the upper side of the engine, and it takes a lot of time to detach all of the cables. But here on the upper side of the engine, it's okay. I don't have any problems here. But here, yeah, there are a lot of problems. And I will start to replace wire by wire, and I hope it not going to take a lot of time. This truck likes fire. And now let's put this back together. Let me show you what's inside the dashboard. This is not running. Let's see now. It's first time. Power. Let's see if she's alive. Sorry. Let's see. Dashboard back together almost. Let's see. Of course, we have some faults. It's important. It shows the neutral and wow, Yes! 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 It's alive! Oh, thank you God, finally I finished and it's working. I was afraid some computers died, like the ADC from the engine or the CBR, but everything it works just fine. Well, that's all for today. I'm tired and I'm hungry, and job is done. The patient works fine. See you on the next video.